You may know that Chinese eat dogs. In Hong Kong, there is a law prohibiting people eat dog, and you cannot find any restaurant provides dog meat. Traditionally, Chinese see dogs as tools or foods, just like pigs. In Cantonese, there is a slang which is used to scold or comment people. It is
豬狗不如，豬狗不如。
meaning not better than pig or dog. Normally it is used to describe someone losing his own humanity. Cantonese people sometimes scold people more directly. They may use the word
唔係人，唔係人。
meaning not a human. For example,
有冇喺今日嘅報紙啊？有個男人殺咗自己個阿媽，佢真係豬狗不如啊！有冇喺今日嘅報紙啊？有個男人殺咗自己個阿媽，佢真係唔係人啊！
in English, it means, have you read today's newspaper? There was a man who killed his mother. He is really not better than pig and dog. Another similar word is
人渣，人渣。
meaning dregs of society, dregs of humanity or scumbag. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.